Hello everyone, just wanted to show you an update on the tank. I just fed these little guys, they're going crazy. I got to add a couple of hermit crabs, blue-legged ones. I was starting to get a little bit of algae buildup. Gus, it's not your turn, buddy. There's a snail in here. That guy, there's another snail somewhere here also, but I think that one's a hermit crab right back there. Gus, get out of the way, buddy. Come on. Let's see. This back here. But the tank's doing well, even with the added couple of guys. I think we added 5, 3 hermit crabs. They're all supposed to be blue leg, but I think one of them is red legged, like this guy right here. Where is he? Right, he's right there. I think that guy is a red. But I just wanted to do an update on the tank. Gus, this is not your video, buddy. Everyone's doing fine. All my water parameters came back great. I'm super excited. The tank is working out really nice. And everyone's healthy.